Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited in ceramic gray. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black stow-in-place roof racks, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch screen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, SEATBACK video screens, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6635.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.